I sprayed out their brooder so they don't get sick. Now I'm letting it dry, and so we don't cause any diseases or whatnot. So now that's dry, let's grab the bedding. This is very hard to do with one hand. Bedding's in there. Let's use their feed. I use that medicated chick feed. You can use it until they're all feathered out. So I'm gonna put some of that into there. Now we're gonna put the chickens back. So let's start with the old ones. My two new birds. These are Cornish crosses, and they are meat birds. They'll be harvested here in about, say 4 to 6 weeks. We'll send them, we'll harvest them. That's the flock. I got 2 new chickens right there, and the rest are getting bigger. Wait till their feed, sort of cleaned out the cage. Now for the final touch, the homemade cover I made for them.